Launch Week is the first week that we prepare for our students who are new to our programs in the Masters at IE Law School. And it's a week of workshops and activities to help them feel orientated to the program and prepare them for the upcoming year of studies. But also helps build relationships between the students to make those lasting relationships that they'll use beyond IE after their program finishes.
So my workshop is on design thinking. Basically, we start with the first session where we look at design mindsets and approaches, understanding what is design thinking. And then in parts 2 and 3, sessions 2 and 3, we went into a design sprint where the students actually had to redefine the problem and then ideate solutions to test.
My workshop is about the case study method, in which they develop skills they will need at work. They're going to develop communication skills, data analysis skills, time management skills, so things that they really need for their future professional life.
From the Center of Health, Wellbeing and Happiness, we created a workshop called Wellbeing in Practice. And we wanted to take these key concepts around balance, appreciation, and perspective, and at the same time take knowledge to be able to put practices into place to help them in terms of their learning journey and their own flourishing through well-being.
I choose IE because of its diverse environment, and IE Law School is very well known from its international career path on dispute resolution.
I think it's a 50-50 excited and nervous, but I think I'm gonna be really excited at the end of the day.
I expect to learn a lot, but also really to learn what I really want to specialize in. I think it's M&A, but I'm open for everything. I'm hoping to have like a more clear vision on what I really want to do in my future career.